So here we've installed the radiant barrier, and we're about to start ladding it out. Like working on a mirror. Here it is, ladded out. That's what not to do on a roof. Two-foot centers all the way up. Got a ridge vent covered with screen. So now we're ready to install the eave metal. Okay, here's the front side. All the full panels. Really, the little porch down here should have been put on first and trimmed out. But it was at the bottom of the stack, so I'm going to come back and undo all those screws at the bottom and tuck everything under like it's supposed to be. All the full panels. Notice at the top of each panel we have the flat folded up to keep any blowing rain from blowing up in and just dropping straight in that ridge vent. Getting ready to do the back now. Okay, so now we've installed the panels on the back side of the roof. Starting on the trim. We got the gable trim down. Ridge cap. You notice it's folded over the edge, not just hanging out. Down here we have the transition metal in the porch. Notice the ribs line up how it should be. Got some of the ridge cap down. Pipe boots. Notice this ridge cap is missing. Gable trim, I mean. When the gable doesn't fall out right, you can always have them make you a piece wider across the top so that it'll come down over the rib correctly and not deform your gable trim. But that's her. I'll do one more video when we complete it. Here's the completed roof.